All right, today we have a 2017 Ferrari F12 TDF. This car came to us for a full two-stage paint correction, and then we treated all the carbon fiber, paint, trim, wheels, and glass, all in a Ceramic Pro Gold package. Then we went into the interior, did a full cleaning, and ceramic coated with Ceramic Pro Textile, Ceramic Pro Vinyl, and Ceramic Pro Plastic, the full interior. Just to give this years of protection on the interior and to protect all the suede and leather that's inside the interior of this car.